Two DJs exchanging lyrical fire. We got feedback in downtown Kingston. Also how people there are feeling about Christmas.
Dancehall in the doldrums after Melissa, but picking up steam via a war of words between DJ Tommy Lee and Massacre.
Even this increase, while them go wake up the beat. We again on top of the convo.
It benefits both, because the publicity that I've seen, it has widened. TikTok is going crazy over it, YouTube is going crazy, so it is benefiting both.
Put the city on the map.
Hey! Whoa! Oh. Yeah, man, a Devon Linton, you know, you see it. I mean, see a man from Portmore. Yeah. I watch you know, a two good artists. Tell us straight, a two good artists. But right now, no. A Massacre may I bring. No long talking, Massacre. Hey! Whoa! Oh.
To me, Massacre first song I win.
Crocodile West Side on my sound.
Massacre all the way. So that's all I can say. I don't follow it up, but I know say Massacre lead.
Tommy Lee.
Tommy Lee, man. Tommy Lee.
Well, Tommy Lee, I look for a clash with him that never get, but him get one now, him can't match up to his eight. So I tell you one side, dog, to the land side. Billy.
Lucky business without the sword.
So basically, Massacre this Gaza, and Gaza and Sparta are one link. Tommy Lee answer, and then Massacre, I think him drop a next song at this. I think him this Skeng in a song, I call him Tommy Lee Puppet. And Skeng go answer him, but I don't think Skeng look, see Massacre smart with the thing now, you know. He might respond with the next song, and this is two of them in there.
So who is winning?
Tommy Lee.
Fixing business fee.
And who you think it benefit more?
Tommy Lee.
From my boss, couple with, couple come, and that time I don't know.
This war between Massacre and Tommy Lee, why you think that is happening right now?
Boy, I don't know, you know, but them fool. Them for just make some money and easy themselves. Later.
So who you think will win the war?
The Massacre done, man. Fully.
Hey boy, they are chill and I beg me call them, but they never do it, come and say you're clown. Oh, feature me no need that.
So who you think is winning the war? Tommy Lee. Original Tommy Lee, you know your name? Yeah, don't people, boy no dead. Original. I'm not going to thing, man. Tommy Lee, man. Right now, we're not talking about Massacre.
If a talent alone, you don't never get a blood.
That benefit Tommy Lee, I tell you why. Because Tommy Lee want to get back on track, you understand? So that it bounce him back on track, although him have a hot song right now.
Massacre, yeah, you see it, I know this thing, but you can't war me artist youth. You hear that? Go on side. Sparta, you hear that for life.
It's hurtful for Massacre since he's the bigger DJ.
Massacre is definitely an artist, but in the clash, I don't know.
Who's winning?
Honestly, bro, when I say Tommy Lee, dog. Because when me experience, enough things are good, dog. So, my vote is for Tommy Lee for real, dog. It's going to benefit Tommy Lee more.
Dancehall will always be dancehall, and in this time, I think it's something to even distract persons from what is actually going on. So it might actually be a bad thing, but a good thing.
And have you heard any other songs? You see who is winning?
To be honest, I'm going to be very honest with you. I'm a Massacre fan. Shall always be a Massacre fan, no matter what happens.
Fixing business fee. Don't make a follow, make a boy stop your light.
That's completely unnecessary right now. I didn't even know that was happening.
Yeah.
Because I'm too busy with all these other stuff. But I guess that's just Jamaica, you know, all the chaos in one, but it's like ordered chaos. I don't even know.
Beyond dancehall drama, life rolling on in downtown Kingston. Melissa still on everyone's mind in the lead up to Christmas and likely long after.
Most people cannot enjoy Christmas.
I'm repairing a lot of parts of my house, that much for sure. So I don't think Christmas is going to be gifts and stuff. It's mostly home repairs. It's actually going to be different this year.
The Christmas, it not look wonderful right now. Through this time and everything, you know, so people flood out and everything. We're not going to have a wonderful Christmas. Food gone up high, like banana, vegetable, everything gone up high. Everything, it mash up everything.
It looks a way that the western parishes that we normally get our food from, it is
destroyed. So of course we're gonna feel some type of way to know that we can't get the stuff at a cheaper price and that they aren't gonna celebrate Christmas in the way that they normally do.
My Christmas not really look good this year, you know. You know, look good at all. You know why? I'm concerned about the people in the West that not gonna be able to enjoy Christmas as I would. So I kind of want to cancel my Christmas, but when I look at it now, I say, all right, the people in the West, they make my Christmas a keep. Come on, I'm gonna go help them.
In the truth, what have to be. So them need to do the right thing for the people in my country. It could be the whole of Jamaica. And the next time, we need to know God and seek Him first. And everything come after. Because guess what? The next devastation and the whole of we are going to get it. And Christmas is every day as long as they have life.
Every day is Christmas.
Nothing I want. But what me just like on the road so we can sell and put a food in our pocket.
And what's the mood like amongst the people, the shoppers, with the whole Melissa thing this Christmas?
Boy, well, for damage you want a country, so you know, so them have to put in the work, but you know, we can't make that put it down. We have to just stand up firm and strong, same way.
The whole thing look dark, you know, brother. I'm say dark, it's dark, because the people them right now are struggling. The worst things ever been in Jamaica. Right now, the whole hurricane system come like everybody take everything for themselves. The people them don't suffer. How many nights me cry because every time I remember the people them in our country. It's wicked, brother.
Melita come and mash up everything.
Me feel me now get the whole of the support what me normally get from the countryside. You understand? Because if you don't Westmoreland, we now get Westmoreland people, we now get half of Mobile people, and we now get half of Chilani people, you understand? So the Christmas we normally get on the Grand Market, we still get the Grand Market, you know, nice and everything, you know, because everybody all over come at town. Because nowhere else no nice like Kingston, you understand? But we now gonna get the full support we normally get from the country people.
Nice clothes are sell, jewels are sell, furniture sell, TV are sell, everything does a sell, so. Christmas I got belt a sell. Wallet a sell, everything a sell. The Christmas happy. I'm gonna think we want a Jesus.
For as long as we have life, that are the greatest thing. Otherwise, some that you know said, our country people normally come at town, come support we town people. But you know, say down the mash up right now, say everybody are look for bill back. So we're not gonna have the excitement Christmas Day, but give thanks to life. And Mr. Andrew Oldness, may I beg you a flavor, please? I can't buy me a house, I'm tired of the sidewalk. But tired, I want a house. Andrew, may I have 3 kids, I'm not the daddy for them. May I beg you a help? Beg you a house, please, Mr. Oldness. May I beg you a house? Please and thanks.
That normal feel like we would get when December come and I'm not really seeing it. You'd see more cheer, more pepper lights, more stuff out, but I'm not really seeing it. So I think it kind of put a dampen on it, but not too much, because Jamaicans have a way of putting the best out when that time comes.
The expectation of what Christmas really is, not every person is going to be all that jolly.
For this Christmas, I'm just trying to be as hopeful as possible. I'm trying to just be positive with everything that's going on, and also I just know that our country is going to come back stronger and better. I think even some people, they just find it very hard to just get up and come outside for work, and I feel like honestly this year for Christmas everybody's just like so sad because of what's happening, but at the end of the day we're just being resilient and we'll just overcome.
I'm 17 of this month is my birthday, so it's gonna be a Merry Christmas. I call it birthday and Christmas in one, so I'm gonna enjoy it to the fullest, and I start with my family and my daughter, so I'm gonna have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful time.